Hey everybody, this is Dr. Fig, and today we're going to be talking about Magnesia carbonica. Stools green and frothy, like the scum of a frog pond. Doubling up colic, ameliorated after stool. Toothache and decayed teeth, worse at night. Must get up and walk about for relief. Parentheses, especially during pregnancy. To exhausted nerves and worn-out women, what China is for loss of blood. Menses flow only at night or when lying, and in absence of uterine pains. The salts of magnesia are not new to the medical profession as remedies. Especially is the one under consideration so well known in its action upon the intestinal canal that it has for a long time been, quote-unquote, my lady's habitual resort for sour stomach and constipated bowels. Of course, then it should become a very useful remedy for diarrhea in the hands of the homeopathist. And so it is. The kind of diarrhea to which it is the most applicable is, quote, stools green and frothy like the scum of a frog pond. All the magnesias are great pain producers, consequently pain relievers, and, as might be expected, the stools of magnesia carb are preceded by gripping, doubling up colic. So far as colic is concerned, sometimes it might be difficult to choose between magnesia carb and colocynth, but the stools are not alike. Rheum comes nearest to magnesia carb in that both have colic before stool. Sour stool and sour smell of the whole body, but with magnesia the green stool stands first, and with rheum the sourness. The stool of rheum is often dark brownish, than green. Chamomile has green stools with much pain, but the stool is watery, while magnesia carb is more slimy. Mercury has the slimy stool, which may be green also, but with mercury tenesmus is the leading symptom. And the mouth symptoms and sweat without relief under it are not like the other remedies. Magnesia carb has toothache, which at first sight seems to simulate that of mercury. It comes in decayed teeth and is worse at night. There is a finer shade of difference, however, that distinguishes them. Mercury is worse from the warmth of the bed, a general characteristic of mercury, while magnesia carb is worse quiet. The patient is obliged to walk about for relief. This kind of toothache is common among pregnant women, and I have often cured it. Parentheses, Rutania. I have used it in the 200th potency for this trouble. I have used it lower in diarrheas. I once cured a severe case of coccydynia, a case of long standing. The pains were sudden, piercing, causing the patient to almost faint away. Magnesia carb 200th cured promptly. Lobelia inflata has extreme sensitiveness, sits lean forward to avoid contact of even, soft pillow.